All right, this is a quick and easy video on how to install a new fuel cap in your Nissan. This is a Nissan Pathfinder, but it's probably similar across several different types of Nissan vehicles. They have a push-in type connectors. So sometimes there are screws that secure your fuel caps in place, but Nissan uses these plastic push-in connectors. The hardest part, honestly, is getting this push-in connector out. I found that it was a little bit fragile and you can see it sort of breaking apart when I'm using a flathead screwdriver, but eventually it's going to break apart enough to get it out of there. In my case, the cable attachment actually broke before the retainer clip came out, but a smack with the screwdriver broke the clip, and then I was able to push that little push-in clip backwards through the hole. Obviously not that difficult to break that plastic. Here's the new one, and it is just a push-in type clip. Put it in the hole, give it a push, and make sure it's secure. The new one looks identical to the old one, with one exception: the gasket looks newer and is in overall better condition. So if you're getting a check engine light for your evap system, or you're getting a loose fuel cap warning light that's just not going away no matter what you do, a new gas cap might solve your issue. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.